it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I'm back with another scrap timber layout. And today's prompt for that is pattern papers. I'm also combining this with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I am still using my Adore Me collection by Close to My Heart. And I'm combining this with my DIY embellishment giveaway video. Today's going to be kept super simple. I am at my max recovery wise. Like, I am trying to do as least as possible. I have overdone it with my children going to all their events, and I am in pretty serious pain. And so I'm going to keep it short and sweet for you guys. So I have already created my layout. Let me show you the embellishment you will win. So let's put this together real quick. I'm so fuzzled. I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing at this point. So pretty much I cut this out on the Cricut, and it says friends, and it's just three little, it cuts in a different color. This was just something that was on the Cricut. I didn't design this one. And I almost feel like that it actually comes from the Winnie the Pooh. If you had a cartridge, I feel like this is one of the things that was on it, but I might be wrong. But I feel like it was on one of the Cricut cartridges. I did import all my cartridges whenever I switched over to the Explorer Air 2 that I have now. But this is the extent of putting this together, and then you get this. And then I did pen work on mine, but I'll leave it. So if you don't like the pen work, because there's been a few comments that some of y'all don't like the pen work that I do on stuff, so I'll just leave it without. And then I cut out this little bee thing. I'll put it on black so you can see it. But isn't it super cute? And it's a good little size because this is a 12 by 12 paper. But pretty much if you leave a comment, you'll be entered to win this little thing and the title. Okay, so that's what you're gonna win. Here's my layout I done created. And I used the little thing. I did back my beads with some scrap brown paper. And here's my title that I did the pen work on it. I know the lighting isn't the greatest, but I think it turned out cute. I have this that I made, I actually made this for a DIY video some time ago. And this is pictures of me and Judy from Georgia. We met online. Y'all have heard it if you've watched my channel for a long time. Y'all have heard it before. We met in a Yahoo group way back when, and we have took many trips and vacations together since then. But she lives about 6 hours from me in South Georgia. But I did use scraps from my collection. So these were my other two arrow pieces, pretty much parts of the triangles I had cut. Y'all know I used two on another one, and then I used the original one that I actually cut. I used all four on a layout. So these were the scraps from that. And then I had just this little scrap of this paper left, and then this small one of this one, and this pink scrap in my kit. So I still haven't used it all up, but I'm trying very hard. But that is my layout, and using the prompt. And if you leave a comment, you will be entered to win this. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you. Make sure you hit that little notification bell so it will let you know when I upload new videos. Because if you are a winner, you are going to want to see the last video of the month and know to come back to claim your prize. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you enjoyed this and that it inspires you. And until next time, bye y'all.